Hello and welcome to the boot of my car. So I finally managed to bring the amp board outside and start getting it mounted up to the car. So this is pretty much where it's gonna go and roughly how it should look. Bless this mess. Pretty happy with it, to be honest. A little bit rough in places, but function over form. So yeah, overall pretty happy. Progress has been made, definitely. I need to pull all my trims out of my driver's side so I can lay another set of RCA cables, because I'm going to split it at the head unit. Reason being is because I want to run a RCA inline bass knob, but I only want it to control my bass amp. Yeah, I'm not running a DSP or anything, so happy days, that should work. Bit of a pain in the ass to run another set, but next video, fingers crossed, we should be able to turn it all on and start trying to tune it. Can't thank you all for your likes, shares, comments. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and yeah, see what mischief I can get into next.